can't sing. Dudes with me.
In the Terran year of 2012, Voyager 1 made the historic entry its gravitational pull. Voyager 2. When we Xandarians first detected Vekomas, we scanned them and discovered on board a golden disc containing sound. Incredibly hot and extraordinarily powerful, this explosion filled the cosmos with a cloud of rapidly moving particles. Over the next 100 million years, space continued to expand. What I find intriguing is that not only are your Voyagers receiving and sending data, they are also serving as ambassadors, carrying greetings.
The Nova Empire, Xandar is home to over 12 billion citizens. Constructed on a vast system of atolls, our city features a wide home to some of our most unique residents. Many Xandarians prefer living high above the sea. Xandar is also
architectural designs. As our urban center became denser, a central canal and support.
Truly grateful for this service. Last, I hope to move up the Nova ranks to work on encouraging peace.
The captain! Captain Leader! Don't call him Star-Lord. His close friends call him PJ Quill. It wasn't exactly my idea.
Is this the famous...
Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot. Epcotians. Epcotians. Citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. Please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this.
What you see before them is the cosmic generator. And just follow the gardens. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm.
That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship. That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime. I have been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not crazy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When.
It's some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, Nova Dude, you're not recording to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow them through the jump point.
Wait, what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
What? There's cake. Where's the cake? The odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First there was cake, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
What's up, buddy?
This plan is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well,
Okay, I've walked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Rex!
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Terrans, this is Centurion Merrick again. We're having a little bit of trouble with our ship's airlock. Oh, we got it! You're good to go! Let's do this! It was useless to follow me.
Boys, nothing's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we jump back.
We got the generator.
You really think they deserve to be called heroes? But do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drac.
It takes 24 hours for the world to turn once, but only 2 seconds to like or subscribe to see great future content from Stevie's World UK.